Could one of these kitchen worktops be perfect for you? Keep watching and we'll find out. In today's video, we're going to be talking about Silestone's new quartz range. It's called Chic. I hope I'm saying that correctly. It actually has a really interesting feature that I've not seen advertised, or I've not been told by any of my stone reps that this is a similar feature within other quartz ranges. So I can't wait to tell you about what is so special about this whole Silestone Chic range. But let's just get into the different options. We're going to be talking about the different colors, the thicknesses, the finishes, and what makes it so special as well. Okay, so a little bit about Silestone first. Silestone is part of the Cosentino brand. So Silestone is Cosentino's quartz range, just as Dekton is their porcelain or sintered stone range. They also do Sensor, which is their granite range. Cosentino is known for their quality. They're known in the market. They are a huge name. A lot of people actually come into my showroom and think that all porcelain is Dekton and Dekton is porcelain. I mean, Dekton is porcelain, but not all porcelain is Dekton. We actually have a number of Silestone and Dekton kitchen displays in our showroom. So if you're ever in North Finchley, in North London, come by, take a look. So the worktops we're going to be talking about today are actually Silestone. So they are all quartz, and they are from Silestone's newest range called Chic. First up, we have Bohemian Flame. So this one is a dark gray with a kind of copper veining accent. Then we have Versailles Ivory. This one is obviously a lot lighter. It's almost white, and then it's got a really nice browny gold veining. Actually, all 6 of these colors have veining, so this is definitely more of a kind of marble effect worktop. This one is more white. If you're comparing the Versailles Ivory and the Victorian Silver, the Victorian Silver is a slightly brighter white, and then the veining is also a bit more grey and white as well. So it's a little bit less contrast in this one, depending on what kind of look you're going for. Next we have Hectic Pearl. So this is another white one, and then the veining in this one is a little bit more, it's reminding me a little bit more of like strokes, as opposed to the Versailles Ivory and the Victorian Silver. Those veins are a little bit more connected, whereas this one is a little bit more like, I would say maybe like an ocean wave. Really nice one. Again, this one is a bright white with some kind of pebble, with a bit more of a pebble effect as well. So that's a little bit different in that one. And then we have Romantic Ash. So this is the darkest of the 6. Again, it has the pebble detail, a whiter vein. There's a lot more veining going on in this one. It's a lot busier. I think really nice option if you were going for an all black kitchen, but you wanted something a little bit more special for the worktop than just a plain black. Sorry about the shadow on my face, guys. Okay. And finally, this is actually my favorite out of the 6, left it for last. We have Parisian Blue. But this one, it's kind of like a bluey gray, and then the veining is a lighter gray with a little bit of brown. It also does depend on the sample that you get. So the sample I have is showing a little bit more gray here. Color is becoming a lot more popular. And I mean, it's just quite different from your usual white with a grey vein or black with a white vein. Okay, so if we talk quickly about the different finishes that the worktops come in, some of them come in polished. So the ones that come in polished only are the Parisian Blue, the Versailles Ivory, Romantic Ash, and the Victorian Silver. And the ones that come polished and suede, the polished is kind of a bit more shiny, whereas the suede is a little bit more matte, but still very soft and easy to clean. And the 2 that come in both of those finishes, as in you can pick whether you want to have it polished or suede, are the Bohemian Flame and the Eclectic Pearl. Okay, so the one thing that all 6 of these worktops have in common is their size and the thicknesses that they come in. And this is something that Cosentino do really well across all of their ranges. They have a really wide variety of thicknesses of their worktops, whereas you'll find with some suppliers, only some worktops may come in 30 mil, but the majority of their quartz ranges will come 20, whereas all 6 of these Le Chic colors come in 12 mil, 20 mil and 30 mil. So the 12 and 20 mil thickness is more for a modern contemporary style kitchen, and then the 30 mil goes great with a more traditional kitchen. When you buy kitchen worktops, you usually buy them in whole slab sizes. So what sizes do these slabs come in? Well, they come in a jumbo slab. So again, all of them come in jumbo, so they're about 3.2 meters long by 1.6 meters wide, and this just means that if you have a very large island or a really long worktop run of 3 meters, you can have one piece of continuous stone without any breaks or joins, because let's be honest, nobody really wants to have a join. Our stone fabricators are actually really great at kind of hiding the joins. Actually, on an island, we don't like to go above one slab if there's going to be a join. Just quickly, if you like the points I've made so far in this video, don't forget to give it a like. It really helps me out, and I'll get straight back to the video. Okay, so I teased at the beginning of this video that this Le Chic range has something special that I've not heard of within other quartz ranges. It's been designed that when you use the 12 mil slabs and put some lighting behind it, it can kind of mimic onyx. And what onyx does when you put lighting behind it is it makes the worktop glow. I've not actually seen this in person, but it is what I have been told by Silestone. So if you were to clad a wall, say behind your sink with lots of lighting, and then put the 12 mil thick slab on top of that, when you turn the lighting on, it should glow through. And to really kind of emphasize, in all 6 of these slabs, there is glitter. So all along the veining here, we've kind of got some copper glitter. So if you imagine putting lighting behind that glitter, it's just really going to shine and emphasize the wow factor of the stone. That is something I've not seen anywhere else yet. I mean, if you guys have, please let me know in the comments. I'm really intrigued to know who else is doing this, but usually Silestone do lead the way. If you're a fan of glitter or that kind of onyx effect, definitely have a look at this Silestone Le Chic range. I think it will be perfect for you and your kitchen. So another thing to mention about the glow, if you were to put lighting behind the worktop, I think it would work better if you were to do it on the lighter colors. So that would be the Versailles Ivory, Victorian Silver and the Electric Pearl. So would this Le Chic range be perfect for your worktop? Do you like a little bit of glitter, a little bit of drama? Please actually let me know in the comments, because I'm genuinely interested to know who this range is kind of suited towards and how you guys feel about it. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you like this video, and I'll see you in the next one.